Zev University, celebrating 25 years in business, offering high-performance mindset training for business executives. Welcome to Zev University's Executive Training Programs, a cutting-edge initiative that has evolved from its roots as Coach 37 LLC, a renowned corporate sales training firm established in 1998 in the vibrant city of New York, New York. Since its inception, Zev University has undergone a transformative journey, emerging as a leader in high-performance executive mindset training. At Zev University, we understand that true success is not only achieved through acquiring skills and knowledge, but also by cultivating a powerful mindset. Our programs are designed to enhance personal and professional growth by targeting fundamental aspects of individual development, including mindset, habits, daily routines, and your paradigm. Over the past quarter century, Zev University has been at the forefront of transforming corporate cultures and enhancing individual performance. Our high-performance mindset training has left an indelible mark on a prestigious clientele, including Fortune 1000 companies such as Poland Spring Water Company, Remax Realty, BMW Cars, Ford Motor, Dunkin' Donuts, ShopRite, Burger King, Uber, and many others. Through tailored programs, we have empowered sales professionals and executives across various industries, fostering a culture of success and achieving lasting results. Key pillars of Zev University's executive training programs. High-performance mindset. Training. Our core philosophy revolves around fostering a mindset geared towards high performance. We believe that success is not just about what you do, but how you think. Through our meticulously crafted training modules, we empower individuals to adopt a mindset that drives excellence in both their personal and professional lives. Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP. Zev University integrates the principles of neuro-linguistic programming to facilitate profound transformations. NLP is a powerful tool that explores the relationships between neurological processes, language, and behavioral patterns. Our programs leverage NLP techniques to reshape limiting beliefs, break through barriers, and enhance communication skills. Emotional intelligence, EQ. Understanding and harnessing emotions is a critical aspect of success in any field. Zev University places a strong emphasis on emotional intelligence, EQ training, empowering participants to navigate social complexities, manage stress, and build strong collaborative relationships. Developing emotional resilience is a key component of our executive training programs. Subconscious mind mastery. We dive into the realm of the subconscious mind, recognizing its profound influence on thoughts, behaviors, and outcomes. Through our programs, individuals learn to unlock the potential of their subconscious mind, fostering positive habits and instilling a lasting commitment to personal and professional growth. Why choose Zev University? Proven track record. With a history dating back to 1998, Zev University brings a wealth of experience and a proven track record in facilitating transformative learning experiences. Expert faculty. Our faculty consists of seasoned professionals, thought leaders, and experts in the fields of mindset training, NLP, and emotional intelligence. Holistic approach. Zev University takes a holistic approach to executive training, addressing not only the technical skills required for success, but also the crucial elements of mindset and emotional intelligence. Customized programs. We understand that every individual and organization is unique. Our programs can be tailored to meet specific needs, ensuring maximum relevance and impact. Embark on a journey of personal and professional transformation with Zev University's executive training programs. Elevate your mindset, unlock your potential, and redefine your path to success. About your action. Absolutely. Self-image and mindset play pivotal roles in shaping the trajectory of one's life. At Zev University, we recognize the profound impact that these elements have on personal and professional success. Our 7-step program is meticulously crafted to guide individuals through a transformative journey, fostering self-awareness and empowering them to respond effectively to their environment. How do we assist our clients? Improved communication skills, enhanced leadership skills, conflict resolution, increased self-awareness, stress management, goal setting, team building, assessment. It's essential to assess the specific needs and goals of your company's executives. Customizing the training to address specific challenges and opportunities to maximize its impact on performance improvement. Our 7-step principles are the foundation to all our training programs. From executive sales training to executive NLP, EQ emotional intelligence training to executive mindset mastery training, we have created a scientifically proven system designed to change the executive's thinking, improve their actions and self-belief to create better personal and professional results. The Focused Mindset Training Program is a work of art, and we are sure that you and your team will see immediate results once the training is put in place. Welcome to Zev University's 90-day Executive Mindset Training Programs, where we specialize in equipping leaders with the essential skills of emotional intelligence, EQ, and Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP. Our programs are designed to empower executives with the tools and mindset necessary to navigate the complex landscape of leadership with confidence and effectiveness. Week 1 to 2, Introduction to NLP and EQ. Overview of NLP principles and techniques. Introduction to the core concepts of emotional intelligence. Initial self-assessment to gauge current levels of NLP and EQ skills. Week 3 to 4, Communication Mastery. Deep dive into NLP communication models. Verbal and nonverbal communication skills enhancement. Practical exercises and role play to apply communication strategies. Week 5 to 6, Self-discovery and EQ self-awareness. Exploration of individual strengths and weaknesses. Emotional self-awareness activities and exercises. Establishing personal development goals related to NLP and EQ. Week 7 to 8, Building rapport and relationships. NLP techniques for building rapport. EQ and relationship management. Team building exercises and real-world application of skills. Week 9 to 10, Emotional regulation and resilience. 1. Techniques for managing and regulating emotions. 2. Stress management strategies. 3. Mindfulness and relaxation exercises. Week 11 to 12, NLP in leadership. 1. Applying NLP in leadership and decision-making. 2. EQ in leadership effectiveness. 3. Case studies and discussions on successful leadership models. Zev University's 90-day training programs are designed to be comprehensive and multifaceted, creating teamwork. How we train our clients. 1. Online training. This involves video lectures, interactive modules, and digital resources. Online training allows participants to access educational materials at their own pace, providing flexibility for individuals with different learning styles and schedules. 2. Conference calls. Incorporating conference calls with a focus on interactive and real-time communication. These calls are used for discussions, Q&A sessions, and virtual workshops, fostering a sense of community among participants and providing opportunities for engagement with instructors and peers. 3. Written assignments. Assignments are a crucial component of a training program as they require participants to apply the knowledge they've gained. Written assignments could take the form of essays, reports, or other written assessments, helping to reinforce learning and assess participants' understanding of the material. 4. Tests. Periodic tests serve as a way to evaluate participants' grasp of the material and their progress in the program. They also help identify areas where additional support or focus may be needed. What is the ROI and KPI? 1. Productivity. Improve productivity is a major goal of our training programs. Organizations may measure increased output per employee or reduce time to complete tasks. 2. Employee performance. Assessing improvements in individual or team performance is crucial. This could include metrics related to meeting targets, achieving goals, or producing higher quality work. 3. Retention. Our programs contribute to employee satisfaction, and skill development can positively influence employee retention, reducing turnover costs. 4. Cost savings. Zev training can lead to cost savings by reducing errors, improving processes, and optimizing resource utilization. 5. Innovation. Our training programs focus on fostering creativity and innovation. Measuring the impact on the development of new ideas or products can be an indicator of success. 6. Customer satisfaction. For customer-facing roles, improvements in customer satisfaction and loyalty can be tied back to the effectiveness of training. This may exist with companies without NLP and EQ training. Business without NLP. EQ, poor employee morale, ineffective leadership, limited team collaboration, inadequate customer relations, difficulty in conflict resolution, ineffective communication, resistance to change, limited innovation, risk of burnout, difficulty in attracting and retaining talent. This may exist with companies after NLP and EQ training. Business with NLP and EQ. Positive work environment, effective leadership, enhanced team collaboration, customer relations and loyalty, effective communication, innovation and creativity, adaptability to change, talent attraction and retention, conflict resolution, improved negotiation skills. Zev University is offering special year-end package deals at discount pricing. The Executive NLP and EQ 90-day training program is priced at $1,595 per employee. The Executive Sales Training 90-day training program is priced at $1,295 per employee. The Executive Subconscious Mind Mastery 90-day training program is priced at $1,595 per employee. For team sizes of 8 or more, please contact your representative for corporate discount pricing. It's time to take action. We are now at the final steps of the presentation, and I'm sure you can't wait to get started with your executive training. But before we get started, to make sure we give you all the information that we possibly can, let's have a Q&A session to answer any additional questions you may have before we begin your training. To schedule the start of your executive training program, or if you have additional questions, please contact us in the office at 1-888-226-5051, extension 701, to get started while this offer lasts. You may also visit us on the web at zevtraining.com. We look forward to working with you and your team and assisting you with improving your personal and professional performance. To get started with one or more of Zev University's executive mindset training programs, or if you have any additional questions, give us a call in the office toll-free at 1-888-226-5051, extension 701. You may also visit us on our website at www.zevtraining.com. We look forward to working with you and your team and improving your company's overall performance. Thank you.